Today we're going to ditch these big bulky factory turn signals and replace them with the Billet fork mounted turn signals from Hogworkz. Inside the box you're going to get the left and right fork mounted turn signals and all the mounting hardware you'll need for the install. If you're running a 2013 or older model, you may need to use the supplied amp connector to prevent the turn signal hyperflash. Before working on any electrical components, always disconnect your negative battery terminal. Once everything is installed, reconnect it before testing your lights.
Bye-bye.
To get started, remove the 2 acorn nuts from the outside of your factory turn signals. Once those are off, the signal will come free. Disconnect it from the factory wiring harness by pressing down on the connector tab and pulling it apart. Next, remove the factory double-ended mounting studs using a 14mm socket. Take a minute to clean up the mounting surface before installing the new turn signals. The new signals are marked left and right, so there's no guessing on where they go. Connect the new light to the same factory harness you just unplugged it from. Now, if you're anything like me, you probably stripped a bolt or two before. Do yourself a favor and start every screw by hand before putting a tool on it. We've already had to repair a couple threads on this Harley, so trust me, take your time here. It'll save you a headache later. Once everything is lined up, snug the hardware back down and repeat the same process on the opposite side. After both lights are installed, reconnect your negative battery terminal and cycle through your running lights, turn signals, and hazards. One thing I really like about these is the low profile design. They tuck in tight against the forks and flow with the rest of the bike. These clean up the front end without sacrificing too much visibility. These are the Billet fork turn signals from Hogworkz.